So, what's that?
They're changing to put chocolate milk on me.
How'd you get yourself into this one?
Huh?
How'd you get yourself into this one?
I said if 10 or 15 people, if 10 people put our link on their Facebook profile, they bathe in chocolate milk.
Should have gone for the gold then, than like 50 people or...
That's 25 we did, so... Those are some cold jugs. Hi. Hello! Hi! Oh god! Okay. Oh my god. Dude, I should've got Dougies.
Oh, I know, little floaties. It's drowning his sorrow with chocolate milk.
I am. Okay, I gotta build up to it. I feel like I'm about to commit suicide. What are you doing?
That's some chocolate.
Ah.
It was a little hot feet.
Oh, yes. Should I put it on my head?
Yes.
Oh, shoot. Oh, no!
Yes.
Oh, I love my band, I love my band, I love my band. Oh my god.
Yeah.
This is so cool. Oh my god. This is so cold. Oh yes, feel the burn.
Damn.
Pass me the other one. You bathe with me?
I'll pass on that one.
Oh, it feels so good on the genitals.
Oh. Yeah.
Oh no! Oh my god!
Damn, sounds like chocolate milk in here.
I got a long ways to go.
Hey. That's disgusting. Dude, that. Oh my god.
I'm in the bathtub of love. Chocolate. So this is the proof that I did it. Tastes like crotch and
Ugh.
feces.
Fucking god. Alright. Is that it?
That it. Bye.